Today we are using the Pilates mini ball, all right, for a lymphatic flow workout on the rebounder. If you don't have a Pilates ball, you can use a squishy little pillow, all right? So let's get started. Start very gentle with a warm-up. Put this between your thighs. Just hold it there and do the health bounce. We are pushing down on the mat with the whole foot. Knees are slightly bent. Shoulders are down and back. Relax. Push down with the whole foot, slightly squeezing on the ball. Getting that lymphatic system flowing, get the toxins out, any bacteria, no disease in our body, right? Give me that smile. Just warm up now. Bring the arms out to the side. Palms are up and press. Turn the palms back and push. That's right. No big jumps are needed at this lymphatic flow workout. Now, arms out to the side and circle. And back. Yes, get that circulation going. And up. Stretch. A little doo-wop today. And pull the belly button up and in, slightly pelvic floor, working those pelvic floor muscles. Just keeping it low impact today, beginner friendly. Great for seniors. It's just health bounce. Push through the heels. That's your first song. Your second song, take the ball out. Shifts side to side, wide step, and circle the ball. Other side, go around. And around again. All right, bring the legs in and walk. And bring the arms up and down. I'm so glad you joined me today. Yeah, all right, next one. We're gonna do a basic bounce, slightly off of the mat. Now, one arm. Working on some coordination. And out. All right, other one, other arm, up. And push out. Barely lifting off the mat. Good. All right, shift side to side. Let's go. Lifting the heels. Pushing that lymphatic system through your body, cleansing those cells, those toxins. Bring it in now and lift in the center. And push forward. And other arm. Squeeze that bicep. And this way now. Switch. Keep lifting those heels left and right. And little bounce in the center. Push and up and down. That's right, just a few minutes a day. All right, shake it out. Step side to side. Add your personality in there. All right, now we're gonna put this between our calves. Hold it here. Ready? And we're gonna bounce forward and bounce back. So 2 forward, 2 forward, 2 back. Little bounce. All right, now side to side, 2 and 2. Hold that ball there. Don't drop the ball. Yeah, it's a little tricky. If it starts to slide, just adjust it. Basic bounce, back to basic bounce. All right, good. All right, take the ball out. It's easier if you don't have these pants on, if you have shorts on. It's easier to hold the ball. All right, shake side to side, let's go. Little joyful jump, this is called. All right, step it out. Do you have water? Make sure you're drinking half your body weight in water. I also walk every day. Try to get at least 20 minutes of sunshine every day. Now, ready? We're gonna do a knee up. Soften the knee you're standing on. Got it? Do about 20 of those. And switch to the other side. You'll start feeling this one. You can bring your arm out to the side or on your waist, whatever's easier. One leg is always a little stronger than the other. All right, let's go again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, that was 10. Let's go 10 on the other side. Ready? 1, 2. Good. Shake it out. Walk it out. Come on, let's go. March, march. Come on, side to side with those arms. Overhead. Bring it down. You'll feel it. I guarantee it. Shake it out. Let's do some heels now. Opposite arm, opposite foot. All right, the song's gonna end, but we're gonna go the other side. We have to finish on the other side, right? Just slow it down though, because I ran out of song. Let's just slow it down. All right, toes. All right, let's go. Let's drop the ball. See if it'll stay. No, never. All right, let's just sway side to side. Amen. Ooh. Every cell can rest and be held in perfect harmony. Sing it, sing it. Peace, peace, like a river flows. Double side now. Let it be wrapped in calm serenity. Now go back to the health bounce. Very gentle. Push down with the whole foot. And then the heel lifts. Got it? Oh, isn't he? Has God filled you with peace today? We certainly need it in this world. Oh. You watch the news, you get sucked into that stuff. Oh, we need God's peace. All right, now let's just breathe up and down. And again, up and down. Thank you so much for joining me. We'll see you next time on Rebounding with Cheryl. Bye.